Okay, here we are again at the Swingbridge car park, which is fantastic value because it's free. Now today we're going to go left towards Turf Locks and we're going to see what adventures lie there for us. Should be quite straightforward. We're waiting for Dave. We don't know if he's going to come. It's just me and Toby and the two Delphins. Oh yes.
Garage.
Dave, we want the excuses.
I've snapped the key off in the lock in my garage and I can't get any kayaks out or any gear.
So you know not coming?
I can't come.
Oh
I haven't
dear.
got your mobile number, so
Oh no. Oh well.
but I've driven up from Plymouth to tell you.
You're a star. First phase. Getting in the boat. Very inelegant from me. Just wondering how Toby's doing. See if I can help him at all. I'm just going to say things, you know, supportively. Okay, and off we go. Okay, a highlight so far, the motorway bridge. Here we are. Not a lot else going on. Very easy, like another Sunday morning. Okay, we've seen some canoeists, we've seen some kayakers. There's Turf Locks. Nice, calm, quiet day. There, see all those people who thought they would not get out of bed, they could have come and done this. Had a lovely morning. Oh yeah. Here we are, like just to show members of the club that you don't have to go out and go do white watering and all that terrifying stuff. We're just here looking at the birds and the boats. Taking it easy. Okay, here we are, back at Swingbridge. We've had a lovely time, no stress, no white water, no seal launching, no nothing, just easy. There we go. Very good, here we are, Delphins are home and we had a lovely morning.